Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel and December 14th episode of our Elvis Presley Advent calendar project. Once again, if you've missed the previous episodes, they'll all be linked down in the description below, so you can go check those out. And once I'm done with the series, I'll put them all in a playlist, so you can just go to my main channel page, pick that playlist, and watch them all in order if you'd like. I really hope you guys are liking this. I know it's not a typical build a model kind of thing. It's a little different. I think this is kind of a cool thing, and I really wanted to share it with you guys. Alright, if you're new here, thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and if you wouldn't mind clicking that subscription button down below, I'd really appreciate it. Also, a thumbs up for this video, and all of them would be great. For all my current subscribers, thank you again so much, you guys, for all your support. I really appreciate it. And let's dig right in and see what we have in store for us for today, December 14th. All right, let's locate the box, and it's right there. Let's get that out. Okay, open it up. Okay, and we've got another piece of scenery, looks like, for our display. West 40 Memphis, they're the same on both sides. All right, let's set that aside. Let's close up our box, put it back in here like so, and we can really see our picture shaping up there. That's cool. All right, let's see what the book has to say for the 14th. All right, so this section talks about Elvis during his, the start of his movie period when he was in several movies, and especially the Elva Mark VI, which was a lightweight British racing car depicted here. That's pretty cool. As far as what it says for today's box, you will find another stand-up for your Elvis diorama, so that's cool. So not much in this episode, but a couple of little interesting tidbits of Elvis history. He actually did 3 movies where he was depicted as some sort of a race car driver, the first being Viva Las Vegas in 1964, the second entitled Spin Out in 1966, and then finally the last movie entitled Speedway in 1968. Alright, well, I hope you guys are all having a great day. I will see you back here tomorrow for the next step in our Elvis Presley Advent calendar. Until then, I hope you all have a great day, be safe out there, and go build something.